Joe Beermaster here. We have a 2003 Mercedes E320. This covers multiple years and the multiple models that I have listed for Mercedes. I'm going to show you how to get this mirror off. It's a little different than conventional mirrors. I'm going to show you that if you push this mirror back like this and you look in there, there are 3 hex head screws. There's one there, one down there, and one in the back. So what we want to do is get this cover off. So way back in here is a clip back towards the front area, and we're going to pry that out of there. And when we do that, it releases the cover. Now, Rich, try to pull the cover. Go ahead. All right, so now that we got that clip pushed back, I'm going to make sure that this mirror is tilted that way, and then we're going to slide this back. All right, it's coming off. Okay, sometimes they're difficult to get off, but that was pretty easy. So that's how that's done. And if you can see in there, that clip is over here. That's the back side of it. So you have to get that from the front. Now to get the rest of the mirror off, there's Torx head screws there. There's one there and one there. You can move it both ways to get to the Torx screws. Then once you get that off, there's going to be a wire connector. And you can disconnect the wire and reinstall. Joe Beermaster, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give me a thumbs up.